Hello, I'm Peter Pan. Let us visit to a Hogwarts house. After Harry Potter's autobiography, we are ready for the wizarding world. Professor McGonagall has welcomed you to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. As you can imagine, there are 4 houses, namely Godric Gryffindor, Helga Hufflepuff, Rowena Ravenclaw, and Salazar Slytherin. We can show you this symbol that was used in Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. The red part shows you a Gryffindor house, green part is the Slytherin house, yellow part is the Hufflepuff house, and blue part is the Ravenclaw house. Also, to talk about the animal symbols, again I'm marking the lion symbol, which is a part of Godric Gryffindor house, the snake symbol, which is a part of Salazar Slytherin house, the wolf symbol, which is a part of Helga Hufflepuff house, and the eagle symbol, which is a part of Rowena Ravenclaw house. The banner below the symbol, as it says in Latin, Draco dormiens nunquam titilandus, which means, never tickle a sleeping dragon. You may have noticed that Draco's name is also part of the Hogwarts school motto, like from the name of student Draco Malfoy, he's in Slytherin house. As I have said before about the sorting hat, students are likely to be sorted together in each row. This is a quick review of about Hogwarts house. Like, comment, and subscribe now.